Alright, welcome back. Another installment of D&P Sportscards box break. This time we've got the new 2010 Panini Classics football. Brand new this week. We're looking at 18 packs in a box and 5 cards in a pack. So let's see what we got.
Classic combo.
Who is it? We can't see.
It is of Bob Hayes and Chuck Howley.
Okay.
Cowboys. That's it. A team colors. Marcus Easley. Third pack. Nope, no hits in here. Oh, we got our first hit.
Okay.
Jimmy Clausen team colors out of 299.
Cool.
And then we have a legend card.
Numbered out of 999.
Yes. Henry Eller.
Okay.
Mark Sanchez base. Another team color. Mike Kafka. Oh, rookie card of Des Bryant out of 999.
Nice.
Who just got hurt today, by the way?
Got hurt?
Got hurt. First guy to sign the first round gets hurt. Oh, an autograph rookie of Devin McCourty. Out of 499. A dress code of Donald Driver. Insert. Brett Favre. Still don't know if he's coming back or not. And a Monday Night Heroes of Marquise Colston. Out of 299.
So was that 3 hits now?
Yes. We got the auto and the 2 relics. Alright, we need a Tebow or a Bradford.
McCoy seems to be taking off lately too.
Could be because he just signed. Oh. The same parallel insert with no relic.
Another Colston.
Yes. rookie of Dan Lefevre. Wow. This is a nice surprise.
What's that?
Number 23 out of 25.
Oh, beautiful. Is that a timeless tribute?
That is the Timeless Tribute. Another rookie. Jason Pierre-Paul of $9.99.
New York Giants. Right?
Yep. Oh, got our second auto. It is Armonte Edwards out of $4.99.
Cool.
So it seems like it's a Panthers box. Rookie Nate Allen out of $9.99. Team colors of Marty Gilliard. Oh, a classic singles, Doug Flutie.
Is that numbered or no?
That is number 2/100.
Okay.
And our last pack. We're another rookie. Morgan Burnett out of $9.99.
Okay. So there you have it. There's one box of the new Panini Classics 2010 football. Check out our Facebook page and our eBay store, and we'll have a lot of these singles available here pretty soon. Thanks for watching.